Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English by yourself at home. Start by setting clear, achievable goals for your learning journey. Immerse yourself in English media daily, like watching movies or listening to podcasts. Make sure to practice speaking aloud, even if you are alone, for at least 5 to 10 minutes each day. Consistency is key to making real progress and building confidence in your English skills. To boost your reading and writing, dive into diverse English texts. Try reading news articles, short stories, or even blog posts that interest you. Keep a journal and commit to writing daily entries in English, focusing on expressing your thoughts clearly. Always use a dictionary and thesaurus to look up new words and find synonyms, which will significantly expand your vocabulary and improve your expression. Improving your listening and speaking skills requires active engagement. Listen carefully to English conversations, podcasts, or audiobooks, and try to mimic the pronunciation and intonation. Record yourself speaking about a topic for a few minutes, then review it to identify areas for improvement. Consider finding online language exchange partners. Even just 1 hour a week can make a huge difference in your fluency and confidence. Consistency is the most important factor in successful self-study. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day, perhaps 30 minutes to 1 hour, to your English learning. Utilize the many free online resources available, such as grammar guides, vocabulary builders, and practice exercises. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Keep practicing regularly, and you'll see remarkable progress in your English abilities over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.